Rosie? The tiger on the bus goes all through the town. They're looking a little nervous, you think? Yeah, it's kind of a strange thing. The geese on the bus go honk, 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 honk. The geese on the bus go honk, 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 all through the town. It's just getting crazier by the moment, don't you think? This is when it's getting kind of bad. The rabbits on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The rabbits on the bus go up and down, all through the town. I don't know that I want to be on this bus. It's just getting a little strange because, look, it's getting worse. What's going to be here? The monkeys on the bus go eat, 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 eat. The monkeys on the bus go eat, 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 all through the town. Look at that, they have big backpacks. What do you think they have in there? Bananas, maybe? Maybe bananas in the backpack. I just have to warn you, it's really kind of getting bad now. You see them? Where are they? Snakes. They are snakes, and there are a special kind of snakes that are called vipers. Yes. So they're kind of like vipers, only they're vipers instead. The vipers on the bus go hiss, 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 hiss. The vipers on the bus go hiss, 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 all through the town. I don't think I want to be on this bus at all. And now it's getting extra, extra crowded. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 all through the town. It's just not doing well, and guess what? It's going from bad to worse.
Ophelia.
The skunks on the bus go. The